Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add destinations, activities and hotels to your favorites on the Hurb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Account button, and here you will be able to find your list of favorites. But now go to the highlights section, and here you can either select from the hotels or activities, or here you can find recommendations in terms of destinations. So tap on it, and if you have found it interesting, or if you find it interesting and would like to save this destination or this item for later, click on this heart icon at the top of the screen next to the share icon in the upper right corner of the screen. As you go back to the My Account section and click on favorites, here you will be able to find the item added to this section. If you would like to get rid of it, all you have to do is tapping on the heart icon again at the top, so it will be removed from this section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.